Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have such an amazing Dollar Tree find to try out. This is from Wet n Wild, which is a makeup brand that I love. And this is the Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. And I got this in the shade Rosy and Ready. I think this does come in actually a lot of other shades, but I'm pretty sure this was the only shade left at the Dollar Tree I went to. And this may have been one of the last few of these left as well. But this is such a great find because you can actually buy this still currently from Wet n Wild for $5.99. So I got it for such an amazing deal. And I love coming across Wet n Wild at the Dollar Tree. I always think that's a treasure. So let's check this out. Not sure what to expect for packaging. Oh, now this is nice. A liquid highlighter with a huge doe foot. Normally I feel like I'm getting like a squeezy tube or something, but this seems much more convenient. So I'm gonna swatch it. Oh wow. It kind of has a strong, unpleasant smell to it. Yeah. But, ooh, look at that shine. And it's a really pretty frosty pink color. I'm curious if I blend it out, how that looks. Ooh, it still has kind of like a pink hue to it, but sorry, I wasn't really showing you. It blends out a lot. Okay, I would say the more I blend it out, the less I can see that pink, but it still leaves behind really pretty glow. Like it gives a wet skin shimmer. So you can see with it versus without it, such beautiful glow. And it doesn't leave behind like sparkle shimmer. It more just leaves behind the shine, which is definitely what I prefer when it comes to highlighters. I just think this looks so youthful and radiant. Yeah, so this is going to be a great body highlight. Unfortunately, the weather is now getting cold, so I'm not going to be showing much skin anymore, but let's go ahead and see how this is on my face. I think that this pink tone is going to match my natural skin color really nicely. Oh my gosh, it blends out really easily. And that is really pigmented, glowy, and it does not seem to be lifting and moving my makeup underneath, which can be a real problem with liquid highlighters. Wow, I love that. That definitely gives glow to the skin. It's a little bit like more silver icy on my skin tone, so it looks a little bit less natural only because of that shine, like the color of that shine. But the texture of it looks very smooth and skin-like. I'm so glad that this works so easily for me to just apply it right onto my skin and wear it fully as my highlighter, not having to mix it in with my foundation to get that ideal glow, and that it doesn't need to be mixed in with lotion either to be perfect looking on the skin, on the body. And it blends out so quickly and easily. Wow. This has some amazing qualities that some of those expensive highlighters cannot do. And here I am getting this amazing highlighter for $1. I love that this $1 product that I found is giving me that ideal, perfect highlight glow that I'm always looking for. So I love that it's just so achievable and accessible for such a low price. Whether you find this at the dollar store or even you get it for $5.99 from Wet n Wild, it's just so impressive all around. I love the glow, the shade, how easy it is to apply, and it's versatile. Like, I'm looking back down on my hand, I'm like so impressed because it looks so good. It looks so hydrated, younger. Like, wow, very impressed. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.